Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses, relays for the power windows, also known as power left, right, rear windows on Volkswagen are located. If you have problems with window not working, guys, window not opening or closing, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be really simple fix, and after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the power windows, we may need to check up to 4 fuses that control the windows, the door modules as well, because the door modules control your windows. If those fuses are good, guys, okay, and your window still does not work, we have a special video on the channel that's called why a power window does not work on Volkswagen Tiguan. Check it out, it will teach you what you need to check, how to fix it. But in some cases, after fixing the window or finding the problem, you may need to clear the codes from the module to be able, okay, for that function to work correctly again. So, guys, the fuse box that most people are familiar with is right here under the hood, right? On the driver's side, on the right side of the vehicle, that's the driver's side. But that's not the fuse box that we need. We actually need a fuse box that's inside. You wonder where? Well, on the driver's side. Right here, guys, this is the steering wheel. Next to it on the left side, here, when we remove that panel, we have hidden fuse box relays and even more hidden relays. We have a special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It will teach you all about your hidden fuse boxes. You will be surprised how many you have and hidden relays as well. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay. They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Here what we need to check, guys, today we will need to check multiple fuses, okay. We'll talk about that, make sure to stay until the end. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 21, so that's fuse number right here now. Right here, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The fuse number will be printed right under the fuse, guys. Then you need to check after 21, we need to check fuse number 24, right here. And guys, next, the fuse numbers will be printed on top of these fuses. You need to check fuse number 46, okay, and 47. These are very important fuses. If that does not fix the problem, what do you guys need to check? You need to check the BCM, body control module fuses and relays. You have many hidden ones. Check out the video, it will be on the channel. It will talk about that. But the BCM also controls that function. So If these fuses that we checked are fine and you still have problem, always check the BCM fuses on your Volkswagen Tiguan. BCM, body control module, fuses, relays, that could be the fix, okay, for your problem as well. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.